Welcome to Mathstartic. In this question, unit half circle is given, BA is tangent to this half circle, and the areas of S1 here and this part S2 are equal. The question asks to find the lengths of AB. To solve this problem, I assume that the area of this region that I show here, which is the area of half circle except S1, is denoted as S3. If we take a look at the shapes, we know that S1 is equal to area of half circle, I denote it as SH, minus S3. We know from the problem that S1 is equal to S2, so I will use it later. Before using that, we have to calculate S2. S2 is equal to area of this triangle that you see here minus S3. So it is area of ABC triangle minus S3. So let's see how we can obtain area of the triangle. We know that BA is tangent, and this gives us a right triangle at this point. Therefore, we are dealing with a right triangle, and area of that right triangle is equal to AC times AB over 2. And because this is a unit circle, the radius of circle is 1 and AC is 2 times that, and we can put this as 2. Then 2 by 2 are simplified, and the area of this right triangle equals AB. We will use a relation 1, and if you use this, it will give us SH minus S3 equals to SABC minus S3, and from this we will obtain that SH is equal to SABC, and if you replace SABC, it will be SH equals to AB. And if we now obtain the area of half circle, which will be 1 over 2 times 1 squared times pi equals to AB. So our AB is pi over 2. Yeah, this is the end of video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.